Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will pour over these plastic cups. They are just plastic cups from I don't know what, and I just paint them with black, and now I see that some of the stuff that didn't want to go off before, now I think that I can get them off, so I will. Okay, so I will pour just here on my plastic bag that I have on my table, because I have a wooden box ready, and I will dip that wooden box into these drips. I taped the whole thing except the top part down, and I will have this in my bathroom, and my bathroom is black and white and wood, of course, and I want some green into this because my towels and everything will be in these colors. So I have permanent green middle, I have Pebeo iridescent green yellow, I have Pebeo iridescent precious gold, I have Cadence antique bronze, and artist loft cobalt, metallic cobalt blue. So what I will pour in first, it will came out last, so I will just and this can happen too. You see, I just have to grab a palette knife and scrape this into my back to my cup. These things probably happen to all of you, so I will just wipe this a little bit, and then we can go further. Okay, what I want to add next, I will add this gold and let's add some white. And this iridescent gold, and I will add a tiny bit of black maybe. Okay, so let's go. had too much paint. Obviously way too much paint. So I will definitely add less paint, just one layer. Okay, and I want a little more white. So this will do for the second one. I'll just take this one and put it here. Bring this one here. I will just try to do a ring here on the middle. I don't know. Let's add a little more green. And I like the first one probably more, so I will just go around. They are different, but this is okay if they are different. But I really don't like this stripe here. Kind of like this marble look now. I wonder what would happen if I add a little of cell activator on top. Let's try that. Today will be just an experiment day. Some white and some bronze and gold and this green. And I will just straight pour it here. And now I will blow this a little bit. But first I will add some black cell activator on top. Kind of like what is happening. So wow, it's nice. I will just bring the first one in to do something similar, because I really like that. This time I will probably just pour like for more dirty pour or something, I don't know. I can't because my paint is too thick. And I will do dips, so this will not be wasted paint at all. Don't be afraid what is on the I just blow the same way here on this wooden box with the same colors that I used for those plastic cups that turned out really stunning, because I like this marble thing. See, you can almost see-through, and these black veins on the top. See? It's hard to show because they are still wet, but my Sunday life you will be able to see the dry result, so I think that this will fit quite nice into my bathroom. And I did some dips into the paint that it was left on my table, but most of the paint I save, you see, for, I don't know, it's kind of petrol metallic color. So see, I did some dips, but nothing quite okay. This one I will use this one probably, but not these two. So this is it for today. Tomorrow will be our collaboration video with Gail from Life in Splatters, and see you tomorrow. And if you want to see some dry results, you can join me on Sunday 4 p.m. and see you on the next one. Bye.